Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we're gonna do a cool puppet show that is hilarious and just really funny, so everyone can laugh about it. So today we're gonna start off with Mickey, and he's gonna talk about some things with you. Hello everyone! Today we are going to do a puppet show! And puppet shows are very fun. So, without further ado, let's get started! So, son. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I gotta use my Mickey voice. Well, son. Have you been good this year? I see your bank account is low this year, and that is very bad. What are you been spending your money on, son? I don't know, Dad. I wanted to run down, do some voice impressions. That's what I've been spending my money on. I've been buying the whole premium. And let me tell you, voice impressions are fun. Well, it's good and all, but... Well, son, you're going to have to pay the rent soon, and let me tell you, you better get your money back up there, 'cause I'm not paying for you so long, son. Once you're mature enough to actually play, that's when we're going to have a talk. So, you need to get your driver's license up and running and start driving. Okay, Dad, I'll try my best to draw my money and get my driver's license and pay the rent. I'll try, but I'm not quite sure if I can do it, but I'll try. Well, I hope you can do it, 'cause if you can't, you're out of my house. Okay. Settle down, Dad. I will take care of it. Thanks, son. Well, Owl, have you been eating some mushrooms? I'm not Owl. I'm the penguin that you speak to, Mario. Little Mario. I'm the penguin. I'm the penguin, not an owl. Well, guess what? We are going to have some amazing times with your truly. Oh, really? So, it's me, the little hopper emoji. Woohoo! Yeah, Mickey the emoji. Let me tell you, I'm a plushie, and let me tell you, plushies go very high. They jump. Woo! And they go like this. And they fall in your hands. But anyways, Donald. Wow, Mickey. Well, you left me behind last time and that made me angry. Why would you do that? Well, I didn't mean to, Donald, but you wasn't around. what do you mean I wasn't around, Mickey? I was there. See ya. So, little ball Mickey, little ball Christmas Mickey, have you been nice this year? Of course, Disney. I've been so nice this year. Are you going to pay some taxes this year? Well, yeah, I am. I always pay taxes. And you know what? You know what, Christmas Mickey? You don't give me taxes rent every day. So you are out of my house. Get it? Well, what do you know? It's Disney. What can we do for you? What can we do for you, Disney? Well, I've been playing the rent. Do you have any rent for me? Do you have money for me? Yes, here's your money. Well, thanks. How much is it? $100. $100 is not enough. A little bit more, please. Okay, here's 10. But that's all I'm going. One more dollar. Nope. Get out of here. Well, Alvin, I'm your teacher. And let me tell you, you better be good this year. Well, I'm going to be a stupid head by not being good this year. I'm going to not study. I'm going to not listen to you. Well, okay, and then it's going to be some very hard consequences for you. So tell me, Alvin, do you want to learn this year or not? Like, really, just tell me. You want to learn this year? Well, yeah, I want to learn this year, but I also want to be dumb this year. And just take a break. Oh, wow, Alvin. That's crazy. Yeah, I know. Well, Christmas. Well, that's the questions for you, Mr. Bear. Have you been very nice this year? Little Santa Mickey, let me tell you, if you haven't, you're on the cold list, dude. Well, I have a little bit, but I have been paying the rent, and let me tell you, I'm almost out of money. And let me tell you, do you have any money for me, little Santa? Well, no, not yet, but I hope to get money soon. Ho, ho, ho. Maybe at Christmas you could ask for that. Christmas Eve you could ask for that. But right now we don't have money. Ho, ho, ho. We're broke. Because we just had Christmas. Well, that's not nice. Santa Mickey, you failed me. Well, I'm sorry, but that's how this life is. Fine, here's $20. Well, here's your $20 back. See ya. It's just me, Mickey. Yeah, I know. I'm Mickey too. But I'm Christmas Mickey, get it? Yeah, of course I get it. Uh-huh. A whole bunch of Mickeys. Uh-huh. Well, I've been paying some taxes and I was wondering, do you have any $2 I can borrow? No. No, I do not, but I have $1,000. You want that? I mean, I need that. Yeah, sure. So let me tell you, here's your $1,000. Three, five, from. I smell little mouses coming down the hill. I am your giant Mickey, they call me. And I heard that my viewers have been nice this year. So that's a good thing. So keep it up. Well, John Orvis Mickey, I have some questions for you. And let me tell you, have you been good this year? I mean, really, we're talking about taxes a lot about this video. I mean, really, everyone pay taxes. I mean, really, taxes are lame, but we have to pay them. So, yeah, really, we have to pay them, and that's lame. Well, the nice part is, once you pay taxes, it goes to the school. It goes to everywhere. But anyways, there's enough talking about taxes in this puppet show. We get to go to Hallelujah. And Hallelujah means we get to go take a trip to Dance World. Whee! Let's go! Well, I have some questions and, well, it's math questions, not tax questions. You're welcome. What is 2 plus 2? Well, it's 11. Well, it's 11. No, that's incorrect. That is not 2 plus 2. That's so easy. You should know that question. That is 4. Well, I didn't know that question. How do you not know 2 plus 2? Well, you shut up. Take that. Well, popcorn coming out of your nose. What? What are you talking about? Popcorn, but they always come out of your nose. Oh, well, I did not know that. Well, take this. Take that. So, I heard that you have been really awful this year. Really? Yeah, just plain awful. What have you been doing with your life? Well, Paying taxes, you know? It's always about taxes. Well, no more taxes. I told you that. Take this. Well, sorry guys if you haven't heard about taxes a lot about this video, but everyone's annoyed because they're broke in this money. Like the stuffing is just so broke. They don't have money. Sure, everyone will laugh. Whoa, 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 whoa. So, I have some questions for you, little bear. Have you been naughty this year? Yeah, get out of here. Oh boy. Well, so I'm going to teach you some math. So, what's 2 plus 2? 4. Good. Woof, woof. Good. What's 5 plus 5? 10. No, it's 11. Well, so I have some questions for you, little penguin. Do you like cold water? Because if you like cold water, we come in handy Charlotte. Yeah, I always love cold water because we swim. And no ice. No ice. Really, if you swim in no ice, try this. That was magic. Valentine's Day magic. Well, I have some baseball magic for you. What's 2 plus 2, little Mick? Well, 2 plus 2? I don't know that answer. Is that 9? No. That is not 9. How do you not know that, little Mickey? Well, I don't know. Well, you should know. Get out of here. Well, Luigi, I hate mushrooms. I hate mushrooms. Why do you hate mushrooms? 'Cause I hate mushrooms. Well, why do you hate mushrooms? I told you. Why? I love mushrooms. Mushrooms are good. Well, I hate mushrooms, and I do. No one can stop me. Mushrooms come out of your head. And mushrooms are just nasty that way. And they taste like zombies. What? Mushrooms do not taste like zombies. I can definitely tell you that. They do not taste like zombies. So, we're gonna do a dance-off. So, I dance like this, I dance like, oh yeah. Yeah, let's do it. Woohoo. Yeah. So, that was me dancing off. I really hope you like it. You fake Hulk liked it. You think Hulk liked it? Should Hulk be angry, Mickey? Should Hulk be angry? No, Hulk should not be angry. Hulk should be nice to Mickey. Really? Hulk should be, Hulk should be not nice to you, Mickey. Take this. Whoa, that hurts. You're a puny human. So, I have some questions for you, some Hulk. Have you been going to the Lost Convention? Yeah, I go there every day. Well, that's good. We always go there. Let's fight. So, I'm Owl. Let me tell you, we have so much fun every day. We do? You think so? Cats do not like owls. Take it easy. Take it easy, cat. I'm a nice owl. No, you're an evil owl. Take that.
You missed me!
You missed me for sure. So why do you come in my house? Just so I can take your money. Well, that's not nice. You don't steal people's money like that. Well, I'm sorry, but I have to. So, you think you're sorry? Yeah, I'm sorry, for sure. Here's 100 back. You take that 100 in your face. So, Valentine's Day, Mickey, how was your Valentine's Day? Well, oh man, it was so great. I had a great Valentine's Day. And let me tell you, I came in Tristan's gift. And let me tell you, it was so fun. We kissed and we had some ice cream together. We had popcorn together. We had everything together. Let me tell you, we also had some fun. And he got some Sour Patch Kids. And he got a really nice card with me too. It was so awesome, Valentine. And I loved it. And I even have a heart. See, guys? I have a heart, huh? But, yeah, the nice thing is, Well, well, I have a question for you, Valentine's Day, Mickey. What is 2 plus 2? Do you know math? Well, yeah, I know math. But I should be asking you that. What's 2 plus 2? Because you're little. You're little, Timmy. I am Scavenger Mickey. But I should be asking you, what's 2 plus 2? 4. That's 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8? Oh no, I need a calculator. So, you agree with me? No, I do not agree with you. We are going to have a fight soon after I ask you a question, Teddy. Have you been nice this year? Well, yeah, I have been nice. Oh, sorry, I'm not facing you. I'm not. Oh, I need to learn my social skills. That is a wrong. Oh, by the way, that was a wrong social skill. Do not do what I did. Well, I want to say that I accept your apology. I did the wrong social skill. See ya.
I have you cornered. Hold still, Perry the Platypus.
So, I am Christmas the Frog. I don't even know who I am, but I'm coming to say, Turtle, you're fired. 'Cause you didn't do your job properly. Well, I tried, boss. I tried. Please do not fire me. You're fired. Get out of here. So, well, we have some questions for you. Why is this puppet show getting more lamer? Well, 'cause you were lame. That's not nice. You need to learn social skills better. Well, you need to compromise like this, Fox. Well, we are compromising, but you're not accepting the compromise. See ya. So, you agree with me? No, I do not agree with you. Take that. I do not agree with anyone.
Let's have a smash party. Here comes the Purple Pants Punch.
Oh, my legs. I'm losing my legs.
That was Hulk-tastic.
So, Hulk, I have a question for you. What's 2 plus 2? 4.
Behold, the Destructinator! Excuse me. This time you'll pay.
Well, this time you pay. Take that. Wow.
Ah, that's my foot! Got you, Perry the Platypus!
Well, thank you for watching our Pump Show. I appreciate it, everything you've done for us. And please subscribe if you like it. And one more thing. Who is making Perry sounds? I don't know. But they're pretty funny. I hope you like them. Yeah, so if you like this, please give it. If you like this, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe. See you next one.